Bangalore, 27th August Press Club of Bangalore, the debate over scheduled caste, or SC, subclassification continues, with the Mala Mahandu National President Dr. R.S. Ratnakar strongly opposing the move, addressing Dalit communities across the country who are protesting against SC internal reservation. Dr. Ratnakar said that subclassification in the name of social justice and equality could affect the unity of Dalit communities. He stressed the need to strengthen the unity and political power of all scheduled caste communities instead of creating competition and conflict over reservation benefits. Dr. Ratnakar pointed out that there are 59 scheduled castes in the Telugu states, 101 scheduled castes in Karnataka, and 1,108 scheduled castes across the country. He questioned how governments could ensure equal justice to all communities through an internal classification system. He said that if the government wants to provide greater opportunities to certain communities, it can increase the overall reservation for scheduled castes and create additional opportunities. We have no objection to providing more opportunities. But we cannot accept any move that creates differences and conflict among Dalit communities in the name of reservation, Dr. Ratnakar said. He also maintained that the recently implemented laws relating to SC subclassification are not permanent. According to him, people can bring about change through united, peaceful and democratic movements. He cited the withdrawal of the farm laws following farmers' protests as an example of how sustained public movements can influence government decisions. Dr. Ratnakar said that in a democracy, people are the ultimate sovereigns, and governments must respond when citizens raise legitimate demands through serious and peaceful protests. He demanded that Parliament bring a suitable constitutional amendment to prevent the internal classification of SC communities. He made it clear that the protest will continue until this demand is fulfilled. He also called upon all Dalit communities to unite and participate in a peaceful, continuous and democratic movement to protect their rights, unity and social justice. J. Keshav Prasad, M. Naresh, G. Govindappa, Arvind H.N. and others were present at the Press Club of Bangalore.
Good afternoon all of you. I am Dr. Ratnakar, National President for Rocks and fighting against the subclassification of SCs, my dear friends. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನನ್ನ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಈ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಪಕ್ಷಗಳು, ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮೋದಿ SC ಮೀಸಲಾದ ವರ್ಗೀಕರಣದ ನೆಪದಲ್ಲಿ ದಲಿತ ಸಮುದಾಯವನ್ನು ವಿಭಜಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಅವರು ದಲಿತ ಜನಾಂಗ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಪಿತೂರಿ ನಡೆಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ನ್ಯಾಯವಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸಮನ್ಯಾಯವಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ದಲಿತ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಪಿತೂರಿಯಾಣ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ವೈ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇದರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಹೋರಾಡಬೇಕು ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ದರೆ ನಾವು ಈ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಸ್ತಿತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಆಲಿಸಿ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮರೆಯಬೇಡಿ. भाई और बहनों सुनिए, देश भर में SC आरक्षण वर्गीकरण के बहाने देश भर में सभी राजनीतिक पार्टियां दलितों की एकता को कमजोर कर रही है. इस पर हमें सभी को मिलकर लोकतांत्रिक लड़ाई करनी चाहिए. भाई और बहनों, लड़ना है. भाई और बहनों, आप जानते हैं क्या, SC आरक्षण वर्गीकरण भारत के इतिहास में दलित एकता पर सबसे बड़ा राष्ट्रव्यापी राजनीतिक षड्यंत्र है. इसे रद्द किया जाना है, रद्द करना है. माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, SC subclassification under the guise of social justice and equal justice, it is the biggest ever conspiracy on the unity of Dalits. Are you aware of these facts? BJP and Modi is conspiring against the unity of Dalits. Their main aim is not to look at the achievement of independent political power even in the Devs, my dear friends. We should all open our eyes. Even our at least come together, let us fight unitedly against the conspiracy of subclassification. Why? Because under the reservation we are getting only approximately 2 benefits out of 100 people. How can they distribute these 2 benefits equally to all 1108 scheduled castes equally across the country? Is it possible? Really, it is an open and blatant challenge for our community. That is the reason why I sincerely appeal to all of you. Prepare for a nationwide, peaceful, consistent, relentless, democratic peace fight against the conspiracy of subclassification. We must have a constitutional amendment that said should be SCs cannot be subclassified at under the guise of subclassification and social justice. Thank you all. Jai Bhim. Jai Hind. Jai Karnataka.